uMalcolm X noSteve Biko have been warning us about white liberals. Yabo, uSteve Biko wathi mekafika eVarsity from being oppressed by the apartheid regime. Yabo, uthi mekafika eVarsity uhlangana nama multiracial and multicultural societies fighting against the apartheid regime. Yabo, uthi mekawabheka lama multiracial and multicultural organizations, they are all led and controlled by ama liberals, white liberals. Yangizwa? So and then conflicta uSteve Biko because ngaphandle the apartheid regime, the white apartheid regime is oppressing abantu. Mara esikolweni the organizations fighting against the apartheid regime are multiracial, mara dominated by white liberal organizations. Yabo, they are dominated and ran by white liberals. So like I understand ukuthi like labantu laba bayasinceda or labantu laba bayasibulala like seka conflicted na yabo. Ngapha into emkhiya ukuthi like ubona ukuthi the black people are voiceless, yabo. So uyabuthi uSAS na wonke lama progressive parties langa awekho right for thina abantu. So uyaphuma kula ama organization ayenze ini iSASCO, yabo, khona kuzoba yiparty izophathwa yithi abantu abamnyama, isidile nathi abantu abamnyama, yabo. Manje kula ubumenemene of these white liberals obuvela khona, yabo, because manje these white liberals sebazenze the gods of morality, yabo. Uthi manje sebakutshela ukuthi wena because you want to create an organization ekweyakho enga-involve ibona, kusho ukuthi wena in yourself are a racist, yabo. What Steve Biko is a racist, uyangithola? So uMalcolm X uya-add kulento leshiwo Steve Biko, yabo. So uMalcolm X athi the of ama-liberals nama-conservative is not about fighting for black people, it's white versus white, fighting ukuthi who's going to retain power nokuthi who's going to gain power, yabo. So thina we are just pawns. As the liberals are using, Malcolm X uses the word Negro, yabo. Ati the liberals are using Negroes to fight their battle, yangizwa? Ati labantu they use Negroes. Nakhona they don't use any Negroes. They use labantu laba uSteve Biko wabiza ngokuthi ama non-white, Malcolm X wabiza ngokuthi they are the black bourgeoisie, yabo. So ama non-white and the black bourgeoisie are the same thing. Ukuthi ilabantu laba who do not appreciate or who do not value being like black, yabo. Everything ebasondeza closer to whiteness bayayithanda lento leyo, whether is speaking language of the white, is whether is adopting ama cultures of the white, or acting or thinking like ama liberals, the whites, yabo. So Steve Biko athi labantu laba beba infiltrator ama liberals, ma infiltrator ama organizations wethu. They concentrate on ama problems facing them, yabo. For example, like a female white liberal, a white feminist has only been oppressed because she's white, she's a woman, yabo. A white feminist has only been oppressed because she's a woman, but a black feminist has been oppressed because she's a woman and because she's black, yabo. So kuna so reach a compromise because we were oppressed because we were women. Let's focus on feminism, yabo, neglecting which black feminists and white feminists are not the same, but because of feminism is the compromise esinahlangana khona. Hence ama liberal organizations are focused on these issues, yabo. Aphinde uMalcolm X pointed out in the LGBT plus community, ati because white men participate in the LGBTQ plus communities, because white men nabo are lesbians, are gays, and they are queer. Hence, like the liberal organizations agcine siwafocusa kakhulu in LGBTQ rights, because white men nabo are also affected by lezi zinto lezi, yabo. Maka the minute uqala ukukhuluma nge-affirmative action into affecta black people ababonakali labo bantu, yabo. The minute uqala ukukhuluma nge-radicalization bayakuvimba bathi no, you must not be too radical, yangithola? Athi uSteve Biko, even this idea of multiracialism, the minute mesithi bafethu there's no progress, they use this idea of multiracialism to create this idea which there's a progress, but abelungu nabantu abamnyama bebangazwani, bheka manje we are in the same organization, therefore there is progress, yangithola? So what do you think about this idea ka Malcolm X no Steve Biko of white liberals infiltrating ama black organization and dismantling one of black organization?